Hoppers are always thinking. Today we're trying Club Line 99 ice cream flavor. Now, if you don't know what Club is, it's practically the Fanta version. It's practically Fanta. So let's give it a try. Hopefully you get a good sizzle here.
Pretty good.
Let's give it a try.
That's fizz. Is it really good? I can hold it.
And now, if you know what Squashy Street is, what a Squashy Street sweet is, it tastes exactly like that. I'm gonna finish this bottle. Open up.
That's a good one.